technologies. The general assumption is that technology has improved the quality of leisure time. The focus has shifted from outdoor to indoor activities and that to mainly screen-based activities. These include playing video games, browsing through social media sites, and watching videos. Technology has made people more able to enjoy themselves even when they are all alone. Young people, especially teenagers, may shy away from face-to-face interaction, and technology provides them a convenient way of staying aloof yet connected. We are able to discover a lot of new content on networks that can make us restless. New technologies enable young people to broaden their knowledge through interactive software. For example, children can expand their understanding about wildlife by watching Animal World channels. Technology also supports to discover new friends in any part of the world by using social networks such as Facebook or Instagram. In modern gadgets, people have a range of choices to enjoy in their leisure time.